In this short video, we will be looking at why you should be learning Python as an engineer. So, there's a lot of reasons, but we will just look at only a few. So Python is very easy to learn. That's one of the easiest languages to learn. If you put in time, you can learn Python in one day. That it's not that hard. Then the second thing is, if you are an engineer, Python comes with lot of libraries that you can use to almost anything. Like, you can use, if you are doing machine learning and AI, Python has the best libraries for that. If you are doing image processing, yes, Python has everything with that. If you are doing mathematics related stuff, it has simulations, it has scientific calculation, it has, if you want to create website, yes we can. If you want to create mobile applications, still we can use Python to create mobile applications. If you want to create games, yes, simulators, yes, optimization, yes, statistics, yes, whatever you can think of, everything can be done with Python. So that is one of the best languages that you should be learning, because it has a very extensive ecosystem.